Hello valuable customers, I'm here to introduce to you our 1000 per minute high-speed extruder. This is our dual flyer payoff. Then this is our tension controller. This is our 60 extruder, 100 extruder. This is our electric control system. Then the cable goes through the first stage of cooling system, goes through straight down,
Slowly.
goes through the capstan.
Okay.
And you know, because this extruder machine is 100 meters per minute high speed, it goes through another drying system. Then the final non-contact gauge diameter, and also this is our spark tester machine. The cable goes through this, and we have our tension controller to our high-speed dual spooler. This is our latest innovation design. Hello customers, this is very beautiful. I'm so loving this machine. Very high speed, 1000 per minute. It means that in 1 minute you will have 10 coils in just 1 minute. Can you beat that? Come over here. You see? Wow.
Wow.
We have our two bobbin automatic dual spooler. 1000 per minute. So customers, for further information, further inquiries, please go to our website www.shineworldgroup.com or contact the numbers on your screen. Thank you very much. Bye.